Hello guys. So today we're going to talk about the new platform, DM platform by Instac. This platform basically automates the DM functionality on Instagram. So the way you do this is by creating different messages and sending those messages one by one automatically. So let's see how we can operate this platform. First, you click this plus icon, and here you can choose an import source. So this can be either username that's inputted by you, or you can use your existing chats. Existing chats means the app will get the chats that were already on your DM feed. So you can choose either existing chats, and you can import how the maximum number of usernames you want. For example, 50 means it will import 50 users from your DM feed. So let's go back to username. Here you can input different usernames and separated by spaces. So for example, you can type The Rock, then you can put space and write a different username. For example, Joe Biden. You can input different usernames separated by spaces here. There are different easier ways you can import usernames. You can create a custom username list by clicking here, or you can create you can input your new followers. Here, these are the lists of your new followers from your account. So you can just copy this account directly, and you can paste them here so that you can direct message your new followers. You can also create a custom username list. Here is where you can send messages. You can choose a group, which group you want to send a message. You can choose the message type, either it can be text or a media. Here you have to input the URL of the post you want to share, so that it can be shared to the users on your list, on your group. Here are different filter recipients. We'll see about this later. So let's start to operate this platform. First, you have to create a username list. So either you can create a custom username list, or you can input your your new followers here. For the basis of this example, let's copy from our new followers list. So let's copy this new followers we have. Copy this. Then we'll paste them here. So this usernames are separated by spaces. So you'll go down here, and you have to name your group. You can name them new followers. You can name your group anything you want. You'll click Save Recipients. So the platform will load all the users here, and you can see the status of each username here. So after we loaded this usernames, we'll go to compose and send message. We'll go here and we'll choose the recipient group. The recipient group is new followers. We want to send text to them. Here is the message content, the content you want to send to them. Here the platform uses spin syntax, which means that you can you can send different messages to different accounts to reduce the detection by Instagram that you're using bots. So how this basically works is you input different strings. For example, hi, hello, sub, hey. You'll enclose them with this like bracket like structures, and you'll separate them by slash. So hi, hello, sub, hey. So the platform will choose one of the 4 words randomly, and this one is username. Username is basically it's gonna replace it with the username of the account, and the same here, good, well, fine, to choose one of these words randomly. So let's replace this with our message. So it will be hi, hello, sub, hey, username. It will be replaced by the recipient's username. Thank you, thanks, I appreciate for the follow. Have a great, good, nice, wonderful day, and different exclamation marks. The reason to do this is to make every message different for the most safest way to send messages with this platform. So you'll randomize, highly randomize, and make your messages private. Here are the filter recipients. If you sent messages to this group before, you can send again by changing the filter options. You can send only to the people who've seen your message before, if you send the messages before to this group, or you can send messages who have replied to your message, or who haven't replied to your message. So these are filter options. So this is all we need. So we'll just save and send. When we'll click send, the app will start to send the messages. So the app is sending. It queued 54 accounts. So we'll wait for a few accounts for it to send. Accounts. As you can see here, it's pending. It means it's waiting. Now it's finished, so it's already sent the DM. We're gonna send 5 DMs. These are our followers, so let's wait until it's done. You can remove the specific user by clicking this icon, and whenever they see or reply to your message, this will change to yes or yes. So after the 5th one finishes, we'll pause it. Alright, so the app sent 5 DMs to the recipients. You can also adjust the settings here for safety. You can fetch from your DM list, from your DM feed. Here you can adjust the number here. You can adjust the fetch interval, the time between two consecutive conversation fetches, daily maximum DM, the number of DM you want to send per day. This will be the limit. Interval between two DMs in seconds. So the interval when you send one DM and when you send another DM, the default setting is 10 seconds, but it's highly recommended if you increase the interval between two DMs. And recovery minutes, so 30 minutes is the default. This is basically whenever there will be an error with the Instagram platform, when you have some sort of soft ban, so the app will stop all of its operation and wait for this amount of minutes. So basically this is the settings here. You can also see instructions here to see how it's operating. So let's see the accounts it's sent to. So here are the 5 accounts the app has sent. As we can see here, let's see the first message. As you can see, sup, the username, post hope. I appreciate the follow. Have a wonderful day. The second message, sup, the username, thank you for the follow. Have a wonderful day. Hey, the username, thank you for the follow. Have a wonderful day. Fourth one, sup, I appreciate for the follow. Have a nice day. The fifth one, hi, thanks for the follow. Have a good day. So as you can see, these messages are all different in the eyes of Instagram and highly personalized because they include the DMs. And as you can see, the message, one of the messages that we sent with the app is already seen by the person. So let's open our app. As you can see here, the account, the status of this username has already changed to seen is equals to yes. This is because the person that received this message already seen the message, so here is already changed to seen. So if we go back here and change the seen status to seen, the app will only send to the people who have seen this message. So it will be only that guy, since no other person seen my message yet. Only this guy seen my message. So this is how it basically works. And also this is if you want to send messages to your new followers. If you want to get new interactions, you can click here, create a custom username list. Click here to create a new username list. Basically this is another platform that will help you to filter out from different Instagram users to which ones you desire. So you can go here and you have to choose a data pack. A data pack is basically containing a pack of usernames, and you can filter out which ones you need. So you just have to choose any data pack from here. We can choose, for example, this data pack. let's click here. So this is called the data pack, and you can search based on the niche, based on the location, based on different criterias you need. So basically I want to send to people who are in the business niche, or the money niche. This basically, the slash means or. The second one, if you write a different keyword here, for example artist, the logic will be and. So basically it means business or money and artist, so the account must be about business or money and also artist. So the logic here is or logic, the logic here is and logic, so this is really important. You can choose what type of email type they have, you can choose the account age. Basically we want, for our purpose, we want any account age, it doesn't matter. We want more than 1,000 followers. You can skip the filters, that doesn't matter to you. You can also enter the post, the minimum number of posts and the maximum number of posts, the quality ratio. Also, quality ratio is basically the quality of the account. Here you can use phone, country, location code. Here is basically if you want to filter out accounts by location, you have to enter different account codes here. You can click here to see the account codes by country. For example, if you want accounts only from United Kingdom and United States, you'll go down here. 44 is for United Kingdom and 1 is for United States. So you'll come here and you'll type 144. What this basically means is the platform will show you accounts that are from United States, or this sign is just an or logic, 1 or 44. So this is how it's showing you. You have to use this sign or logic. Yeah, this sign, I apologize. You have to use this sign for the OR logic. You have to use also this sign for the OR logic. Just use a normal slash. And you can also add different accounts, different filters here. If the account has a phone number, if the account has a website, if the account is verified, or if the account has a potential business. So just click apply after you're sure about your filters that you want to apply. Click apply here. So 89 users are found in this data pack. You have to understand that this is just one data pack. You can apply these filters to different data packs and get different usernames. So now to get the username list, you just click here, username list, to get the username list of all these users. Click here, and as you can see, finally we can get this username list. Now we can just copy this, go back to our platform and paste it here. So these are the accounts that are from United States and United Kingdom in the business or money niche, more than 1,000 followers. We filtered out, and these users are from one of the data packs. So we'll go down and we'll name this group. We'll name it you can name it business, and business/money niche. So we'll save recipients, and we basically created another group. So now we can start to send different message to all these groups. We can send share media. We can share, for example, post from our feed or from another feed, and the app will basically share different feeds. So basically the same steps we'll take. So this is basically it, and this is how you operate this platform. And be sure that you don't spam too many accounts. Don't send too many messages, because this is a sure way of your account getting blocked by Instagram. So don't send too many messages. Just be smart when you use this platform. It's generally highly recommended that you don't send too many messages to those people who don't follow you, because those people who don't follow you, the messages will go to their different inbox, not the general inbox. It will go to the, like, they have to approve the messages before they see it, so it won't go to the main DM inbox in their account. So basically don't send too many messages to those people who don't follow you. And also be smart on how you operate this platform. Send messages to only people who've seen or replied to your DMs, so who showed some interest. That's why we added this feature to the platform, for you to send people who have seen or replied to your account, so you can filter those out. So that's basically it. So this is how you operate the Pandro Instagram DM bot. So if you have any questions, drop comments below or email us at instacap@yahoo.com, and we'll surely reply back if you have any questions. And I hope you have a wonderful and successful venture using our platform. Thank you very much.